Oh, I didn't see that. My apologies. I was busy doing an assignment about planning to build a bridge. Where are my manners? I introduce myself first. My name is Muhammad Farizah bin Virus and I am from Group 1. And I will be your narrator for this presentation that me and my friends would like to present. My teammates will explain about this bridge that we built successfully that can withstand 5 kilograms of loads. Now, without further ado, I would like to introduce my dear friend Daniel Hazik.
Hi, Assalamualaikum and a very good day. So, through this activity that had been conducted by our lecturer, we have learned basic engineering by designing a bridge using only 40 sheets of A4 papers, a pair of scissors and a cellophane tape. We have learned how shape, structures and balance may affect the structure's strength and stability. We work together in a group and also critical thinking so that we could identify the weaknesses and the improvements were made after. So in this activity, it also helped us to understand better about the importance of teamwork, communication, and time management in completing a difficult task.
Well, for the second questions in which is about challenges, the challenges that we had to face is the duration of time we had to design, reinforcing the bridge design, strength experimenting and the building phase. Firstly, as for me, the designs are not as artistic as an architect's design since I don't have a lot of precise and accurate information except having its height, even though the height minimum limit is not well stated. So I'm thinking of going for a plan that only follows the given order, in which is to build a bridge that have its own height. Secondly, as for the reinforcing the bridge design part, I had a thought of having an optimum strength whilst using a very low amount of sources, that it will be low in sources uses, which can approximately decrease the amount of budget used in an actual building projects, whilst bringing out its highest possible strength. Thirdly, as for the strength experimenting phase, we try to use each building segments to see if it could hold up the strength. This applies the max load capacity and the factors of strength needed. Knowing each segment's strength, we are able to identify and modify its segments to refine the amount of strength. These factors can make a bridge able to hold the amount of more than 5 kgs, so that the 5 kgs would still be in the safe zone range in the max load capacity, referring to the FOS, in which is the factors of strength. Last but not least, in the building phase, we try to achieve as precise and accurate with all bahans folding and utilizing the paper to bring out its strength as optimum as possible. With knowing it's just a paper, the only thing we could change is its shape and the point of distribution of load. This would make the bridge more stable, hence making the bridge able to distribute the stress evenly to the deck and the pier parts. Since we are making a simple bridge for a class, we didn't make it as strong possibly to stand against lift due to the wind nor vibration, since our foundation is very flat, which is just on top of a desk and not in between a desk, which have its own whole different design and challenges.
Assalamualaikum. To start with, the strategy that we use, we did some ratios on our bridge design and internal structure. We did apply some physics knowledge in making our bridge stronger. These are the strategy we use in order to form our bridge. With only using folding A4 papers, with our main shape with triangle to support the load in our bridge. And this is one of the important point to be refined because it will help to the bridge to carry on more weight. Okay. Next for our piers. This is the piers. We fold papers into triangle. Because triangle are inherently stable, and it also to prevent deformation under load. For the supports, in the pier we use backup folded paper in order to increase the strength to hold the deck. Each precise of the calculation will result a big impact upon the strength of the bridge.
I think our strategies work quite well because the bridge we build using the less than A4 papers can still hold a good weight. So at first we played simple design only, but it turned out strong because we fold and arrange the A4 paper carefully. Our group only got 4 people, so but everyone give idea and do their part. We discuss how to make it stable and try few times before the final one. Even though not everything goes smooth, we still managed to finish the final result. The results show that our plan really worked quite well, and we feel proud with what we do together.
This is the end of our presentation. I would like to say my friends are really hardworking and also talented. Me and my friends could use this kind of knowledge for future purposes. I hope you all understood our presentation and it could benefit you in the future. I want you to like, subscribe, and share to all your friends. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.